In this video, I'll show you how to download DirectX for Windows 11. Alright, as you can see here, I have already downloaded DirectX version 12. Now I have two options for you. Alright, first one is just by going to your search bar and type in System Updates. Alright, once this one pops up, click on it, check for updates, click, and wait for it to load. Once done, just go ahead and click on Check for Updates. Alright, now if you have available updates right here, go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer and do the same thing again. Search for System Updates right here, open it up, and then go to Advanced Options, and here go ahead over to Optional Updates. Now install everything right here as well. Once done, restart your computer and you're good to go. Another option is just by going to the Microsoft page by using your favorite browser. All right, and here I'm using Brave. What I'm going to do is just type in DirectX and hit on enter. As you can see here from Microsoft itself, the first link, just click on it. All right, now in here, just go ahead over to the download button right here, click on it, and it says downloading. There'll be a download page that'll pop up. Just go ahead and start the download. And as you can see, the process is done. I'm going to go ahead and open up the folder. All right, and here it is. Just right click on it and hit on Run as Administrator. There will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes, and this installation process will begin. Just go ahead and hit on Accept, Next, and follow the simple prompts. Once done, restart your computer, and after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.